It's nice to see you again in this video. This is a continuation to the video of my file upload vulnerability that I uploaded earlier. So in case you haven't watched the first video, I would suggest at least you can watch that and come back to this. But we are going to continue from where we stopped in our previous video. So now we stopped after getting our reverse shell. So I'm going to just go on and stop this and we work on another lab. So if I close that, I'm going to just come back here. Remember, we do have our VPN that is already running on our machine. So I'm going to close this and let's move to our level 2. So I can just go on and remove this so that we go back to our front page, and now here we see that we have level 2, which is the content type check. So if I tap on this, how can we be able to get access or upload our data to this by our content type check? So this one is headed as the me police or the Mimi police, so it depends on the way you pronounce it. So again, we can look at the DOM. I'm going to go on and press my F12. Let's first look at the DOM and see how can we be able to bypass this. So I can just tap on this form. Let's see, do we have anything weird here? So we only have our input and we have uploaded. So we do have also the submit here. So I can just go on and submit my PHP. Again, we do have a reversion in case if you didn't watch the first video. So this is the reverse shell that we used. I'm going to tap on it and click open. So, but before I submit this, I need to intercept this in my BAP suite. So I'm going to come here to my Fox proxy and turn on BAP, and I already do have BAP suite running here. So I'm going to just come and copy this, open up my BAP. I'm going to come to target, come here to add a target and paste here my link. I don't want to capture many stuffs. I want to be specific. So after providing that as my target, I'm going to come to proxy, come to the settings, and make sure that you provide a tick here where we have is in target scope, and also we provide a tick here, so 2 places. So in case you're done, just close that, come back to intercept and turn it on if it is off, and let's come back this side. So if I submit this, let me first close that. If I submit this, we see it has been intercepted by our BAP. Right click to it and send to repeater. So if we send that to repeater, we see that this is how our request looks like, and this is all our script. So for us to be able to submit our file upload vulnerability, now here we need to look at the content type. So when you try to see how we draft the content type and our server accepts images, so what we can do is to go on and change this. You don't need to change the file path. So I'm going to go on and delete this, and here I'm going to say image slash png. So if you want, you can go on and write that image slash jpg. So when you are done to change the content type here, we are going to click on send. So if it is successful, we have the 200. Okay, if we come down here, this is what we have. But I can also go on and click on render, but up here you see that we have our file has been successfully uploaded, and this is our path where we shall be able to find that file. So let me click on render. You'll be able to see it perfectly. So now here again we see our success, and this is where our file has been uploaded. So by only changing this content type here, we were able to upload our data successfully, and that is the PHP bypassing the security, whereby we were only able to upload images. So we only changed that. This is a PHP, though the system now thought that it is an image. So if we come back here to our browser, all we need to do is to go on and write our reverse shell.php again. Let's come back this side. We need to set up our listener that is listening on port 1234, And if we come back here, we do have the reverse shell, or you can provide the path to the reverse shell. And if I execute that, we shall be able to successfully get back our request here. Though, let me go on and disable my burp. So I don't want that to be intercepted, because you see here, it was intercepted. I can forward that. And if we come here again, we have our shell. So in our part 2, by changing the content type, we have also successfully bypassed our file upload and we got a shell. So in case you are new to the channel, feel free to subscribe, give a thumbs up. You can share to friends that might be interested. And if you do have any question, I'm glad to hear from you. You can leave any message you want in the comment section. I'll see you in our part 3 as we are working on another lab. Have a great day. Peace.